Anglicare Stop AIDS employees were up early this morning organizing banners and various decorations to lead the World AIDS Day March organized by the National Capital District Commission's Health Services. Anglicare's Education, Prevention and Training Program Manager David Altai said the organization is the major stakeholder involved in HIV and AIDS work in the Northwest Electorate. They were privileged to be tasked to lead the campaign march.
So basically, our participation is to get the support from all other stakeholders, and at the same time looking at coordinating every little aspects and in logistics of things to ensure that the march goes smooth as possible.
Indeed, the march went well. It began as early as 7:30 this morning. Anglicare Stop AIDS led the small group of marchers with police escort from City Hall and down the Sir Hubert Murray Highway. Men, women and children were all part of the campaign.
There's no compensation.
The march continued on to Godwit Street. Marchers carried banners that carried messages of preventing the spread of HIV. They chanted messages of HIV and AIDS prevention as well.
Second blood, que se embaracen. Second blood, que se embaracen. Second blood, que se embaracen.
At Port Moresby Primary School, they were joined by members of the Friends Foundation. The walk continued on to Kennedy Road. It ended at the Unagi Oval. There they met with other campaigners from Moresby South and Moresby Northeast electorates. Dr. Joyce Sauk, a district medical officer for Moresby Northeast working under the NCDC's health services, is encouraging citizens to get tested.
Especially for people who are still practicing risky behavior, so they can come forward and get tested, and for them to also know that there's treatment available and it's free in the country.
Stalls were also set up displaying various HIV and AIDS materials and information. Around the city, buildings and offices have been decorated with the red ribbon commemorating World AIDS Day. Other activities also took place today that were just as significant and relevant to the day. In the Boroko suburb of Port Moresby, the Nest Fund building and TST supermarket, both sporting a red ribbon each, had their surroundings cleaned up by members of the Business Coalition Against HIV and AIDS. Wearing red and promoting community partnership with such an initiative is a positive strategy in increasing advocacy against the spread of HIV.